Good morning, good afternoon. We are starting today's episode 7 o'clock at night. Welcome to part 3, episode 3 of working on our basement. We need to get 40 2x4, so you guys will watch a little Home Depot montage right now. And then when we're home again and having a late night framing, I will fill you guys in on the progress.
Get her done.
What do we think about this set for the corner of our deck off our bedroom? We were looking at it last time we were here and we're like, we could build this. But honestly, for $2,500 and it comes with all of this, couches, table, and the arbor awning thing, stay tuned to see if this becomes a project.
So there's a 2x6 bearing wall that runs down the center of the basement. So what we did to get this line here, we measured the same distance from one side of that wall to the other and snapped a line. For that wall, you want to square it off of the two so your flooring is easy, all your drywall goes in properly. I like to transfer that mark to the ceiling, and I'm using the laser level. So you place the laser on your chalk line and then you line it up on the other end, and it gives you your mark on the ceiling. That's where you nail the top plate of your wall. Some people will frame the walls and then stand them up, but there's not a basement in this world where the floor is completely flat and level. So you have a heck of a time trying to get it in, or it's too short and you have to shim it all. So it's important to make sure you have something between the wood and the concrete, because concrete has moisture in it. It'll rot out your wood. So you can put plastic down, you could put foam sill gasket, but you gotta make sure something goes between wood and concrete. So I like to line all my studs up with my joists. That way when it's being insulated and you're running, let's say you run electrical or whatever in the wall, everything's lined up. It's not like you have a stud lining up in the middle of nowhere. And when you cut your studs, you don't want to have to smash them in because it's not structural, and you don't want to crack anything upstairs if you have tile or your plaster in your wall. So just a snug fit like that is more than enough. So we're working on the next wall that runs parallel to the joists. So we have to put blocking in so that we have something to fasten our top plate to, and it'll act as backing for the drywall on the ceiling.
One thing about us is we will always make sure the dogs are comfortable wherever we're doing work. We always make them a little bed, right, Aki? Good morning, it's the next day. Andrew got nice and far last night, so we're back to Home Depot again today to grab more 2x4 to frame out the little game area. Uh-oh, back again. Today we're getting 56.
A few moments later.
Back again from Home Depot, and I want to share a little bit about the progress Andrew made last night. Obviously, this is Andrew's forte. He's a carpenter, he framed houses for a living, so that's why I'm not really needed for this part. He framed out this wall. There's going to be a new gas fireplace here. We're still working on a design for it. So if you guys have ideas, send me links to what you like on Instagram or on Pinterest, because this is still up for discussion, but I love hearing, you know, all the design ideas. This wall got framed out as well, and we're gonna do spray foam insulation. We're working on getting some quotes from local companies to come in and do that. And now today we have to work on this side. So again, this is gonna be like a game room. There'll be a wall here to block the bathroom, but we have a little bit more demo to do. And then obviously we still have to get rid of this giant pile of stuff. So you guys are gonna see a little bit more demo of this space, clearing some of this stuff out, and then we'll get into framing some more. Well, Andrew will. I'm gonna work on getting this desk on Facebook Marketplace to get it sold. And I've already posted the filing cabinet on Facebook. Hopefully we can get rid of those. Final wipe, not bad. It's not perfect, but it's definitely better than it was. Look how long this drawer is. Okay, wait, I just did a quick Google. It says that these desks are actually worth a lot of money. I was gonna put it on Facebook Marketplace for like, I don't know, $100, but I will hold on to it for now and do some research. If you know anything about this desk, this mid-century modern tanker desk, comment below if that's your forte. But it was left in the house in the basement, but it has the key. There's so much mouse poop.
Is there?
We interrupt today's video for a very exciting unboxing. Da, 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 da. How amazing! We hit 1 million subscribers! Ta-da! Woohoo! This is so cool. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching our videos and our shorts. 16-year-old me would be absolutely freaking out. I mean, I am freaking out, but she would be freaking out too. Thank you. I will put it here for now until I find its permanent home, maybe somewhere in the basement. Alrighty-o. Okay, so yesterday was a productive day for Andrew because he got a lot of the framing done. So I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough now that you can kind of see it a little visual. So this is the bottom of the stairs. So the closet is going to come right where the toilet is, basically. This will be a closet with 2 doors. Turn to the side, there's my handsome husband. This is the big living area, so obviously this wall will come across. Fireplace, couch, cuddle chair for Ackley. This will divide the room, so obviously we still haven't picked doors. And I don't know what you guys have been saying because we're one step ahead. So you guys are seeing this content after we're already like 2 videos ahead. This will be the big feature drink, snack, entertainment bar. Walk out to the backyard and the bathroom. So new bathroom door. This is where it was before though, right?
Same spot.
Exact same spot. And right next to it will be a little closet. And then in the bathroom, it'll be washer dryer, vanity in the corner. This will be another closet right here that will butt up against the new bathtub and shower. Wait, is that right? Yeah, and then toilet right there.
Yeah, the tub's gonna go back in the same spot the shower was. And it's gonna come like 5 foot. And then there's gonna be a wall here, floor to ceiling with like 30 inches of the tub. So then you'll have your space between here. You're either gonna do a closet or maybe even just like a built-in cabinet.
This space kind of throws me off right now, having the washer and dryer pulled out so far. It's a pretty big room, but we wanted the bathroom to stay the same size it is because we figured this is a good change room. People are obviously going to be needing somewhere to change into their bathing suits, change out of their bathing suits, so we kept this to be a nice big bathroom.
All our doors are full height, they're not cut down, and they'll have trim as well that'll fit.
Oh, also we still have to pick a few more 2x4s up from the store today or tomorrow to finish framing this. It's supposed to be a wall here, but I mean, you guys can probably get the picture. So we go out through the bathroom, around this side, and I want to show this little gem of an area. This is the area under the stairs. Now, when we, Ackley, he's never been in there before. When we bought this house, a lot of the stuff was left in the house because we bought it from the original owner and he wasn't able to take everything with him. So we said, you know what, leave it. He was older. We said, leave it, we'll deal with it. So that's why you guys always hear us talking about things that were left here. But this space, I guess he used it for
There's like a fruit
tanning, yeah. And we've never gone in it, but we will have to get in there and take all this stuff out because we're going to be insulating the inside of it. I like, though, when people turn these little nooks under the stairs into something cool. But I like when people turn them into like dog hangouts, but I don't think our dogs would ever use it. It's a spooky little cupboard under there, but if you guys have ideas of how, you know, you would use it if this was your house, feel free to let us know. But I think it's just going to become storage. Get in there, boy. Under the stairs hall. Oh yeah, I think that.
Okay. 3,000 years later.
Original wallpaper, folks. And also uncovered, this is kind of cool, hidden at the very back. I'll have to do a Google reverse image search, but kind of cool. This was another find that came out of the basement, and online it says that it's like a ceramic hot water bottle from the 1900s. Just a little info for it there. I'll go give it a good clean. Ta-da! All clean. Oh no. Oh no.
So that's a nest.
Yikes.
Nice.
So it's all been opened up. Ceiling has come down and it's gonna get insulated. But the reason that the ceiling was coming down was because we suspected there would be mice nests in there. And obviously there was a lot. That was actually something that we dealt with when we first moved in here, which we've never talked about, was the fact that there was so many mouse nests when we started renovating. Well, started cleaning the house really on day one. The kitchen alone had so many in the cupboards that's the reason we decided to renovate the kitchen right away, was because I was so scared of putting our food into the cupboards where there was already evidence that mice were living in there. Since we've moved in here, we haven't had any mice running around, but there's lots of evidence that obviously mice were living here before we were. So I'm glad that was taken all down, and then that area under the stairs can become a nice little storage unit. But that is where we are going to leave you guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Part 4 or episode 4 will be up probably the week after you're seeing this. And again, as always, check shorts if you guys want to see the short form content and these videos in little 30-second intervals. Check out our shorts, and thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Take it up to space.